This video tutorial will show you how to incorporate text into your Print My Pixels photo book. First, click on the page you want to add text to, then select New Caption from the Insert menu. A text frame will appear on your selected page. You can move this text frame to the desired location on your page. To edit the contents of the text frame, click on the pencil icon at the lower right-hand corner of the frame. You can choose a font from the Font drop-down menu in the top toolbar. You can change the size of the font in the Size drop-down menu. You can toggle on and off bold or italic settings. You can choose to align the text within the text frame flush left, centered, or flush right. You can choose a color for your text from the Color drop-down menu. You can choose one of the built-in colors, or you can click Other and select a color from the Swatches, HSB, or RGB color picker. You can rotate your text frame on a 90-degree axis using the rotation tools in the top menu bar. You can click the Cancel Rotations button to remove any rotations that you have applied. You can align your text frame to the page's center using the Center on Page button in the top menu bar. You can also align your text frame horizontally on the page or vertically. You can also align two objects to each other on the page. Begin by holding the Shift key down and clicking on two items on the page. Then go to the Alignment drop-down in the top menu bar. Select Align Left or Align Right, Align Horizontal Center, Align Top, Align Bottom, or Align Vertical Center. Sometimes items will not be layered in the order you want. For example, this text frame is behind the photo instead of on top of it. You can change the layering order of items on a page using the Layering Order tools in the top menu bar. Click on the item you want to be layered on top. Click on the Layer Order buttons until your text appears where you want it. One issue to be aware of is a problem with the Copy and Paste feature. If you select Copy from the Edit menu and paste an item, it appears down and to the right of the original item. This is fine most of the time, but if the item you are copying is near the bottom of the page, it will paste outside of the boundary of the page where you cannot see it. This will also occur if you copy an item located near the bottom of one page and paste it on another page. You can work around this issue by moving the item higher on the page prior to copying and pasting it. Another way around this is to choose Duplicate instead of copying and pasting. One thing to be aware of is that when dragging items from one page to another, your drag will stop when you reach the other page. You have to let go of your mouse button, then click the item on the second page to complete your drag and place the item where you desire. If you want to rotate text other than on a 90-degree axis, you can use the Rotation tool in the center of the text frame. Again, you can click the Cancel Rotation button to remove rotations that you have applied. If you are creating a book with a custom cover, you can place text on the spine of the book. If you click on the right-hand page, you will see that the text at the top tells you that you have selected Front. If you click on the spine, you will see that that text has changed to indicate that you have selected the spine. To add text to the spine, select New Caption from the Insert menu. A text frame appears on the spine, already properly rotated. You can double-click the text frame to edit the text, then apply any of the changes you learned about earlier in this tutorial. You will need to drag the text box within the spine to align it correctly.